what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you
Oh, you guys are having a real sermon.
Holy Basilica.
It's the smallest church. Oh, our Father today. It's only for 8 people, right? Yeah.
Sasa Sunday service wanazoenda. Na leo ni Sunday, mbona hapo church?
See, this is just for sightseeing. It was being used like kitambo. Yeah.
You in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing.
I'm ready for the hike, guys. Yeah, we just arrived at Mount Longonot. Let me challenge myself. Mwikali traffic peak. Yeah, so keep it locked to see how it goes.
You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me.
Guys, I'm already panting and it's 30 minutes. That's our photographer for the day. Oyoni, Kevo. Kevin's ukiona mahali ogopa. Guys, you can feel I'm panting. It's so real. Let me try reach.
You have not even started yet.
Imagine, I'm so unfit. Oh, this is Rehema. She's trying to slay for the gram. You know, look at my friends. They're already there.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Tupande mlima. Cheki sasa ikiwa imepanda. Asikia tuna hema. Bado tafika first point. No. Ametoka, imagine. And they are just 30 minutes hiking. Me, I'm dead. Not even dead. Dead. I'm just doing it for you guys. Manze, let me just show you the height tunaenda. Check it motion yenye wanapanda nayo. Guys, this is so stiff. While you can just get from the way I'm panting and everything. This is so stiff. Yeah. Guys, go. Wacha nichoche wase, unajua I'm not the hype man, but I'm the pace setter kutoka nyuma yani. Just look. So nikianguka hapa, forget about me. Yeah. Hello. Guys, brother wangu anapenda kunichomea sana. Ati nikianza kushuka mlima, I run. The reason I run, I find it so fun going down the cliff. Ama, does it make sense? Tell me. This is the hardest episode I'm doing for vlogging. While hiking, sio kupant manze. So guys, look at the views. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but just look at the views. Wow, this is beautiful. Kenya is so beautiful. Yeah, we are yet to reach the first point. You can see kuna wengine bado wazembe huko. Ndio wale. You can see. You can see them. Yeah. Wewe twendeni. Guys, sai panda. Twendeni. Kupanda mlima ama kudate? Ati kudate. Guys, what's your opinion? Kupanda mlima ama kudate? Comment down below what you prefer. We headed there. Sijui tutafika manze. Sio distance ni ndefu. Whoa. You can see my friend Leah is almost dead. She is dead. Yeah. I don't know if you can see the heart. I'm trying to zoom it for you. I don't know if you can see a heart there. So that's the second point where we are headed to. Where that just try. I don't know. I'm trying my best to show you. But yeah, this vlogging thing, manze.
Acha nijiheshimu. Kama unapitwa na hawa sasa. It's a lie.
Go at your pace. So guys, we are so tired. Guys, going down is easier for me. Like, I can go down every time. But kupanda is the worst. I know you can just follow my... Boro kwena breaks za mwili. Boy. Sasa I think nakonga na tu breaks kiplani. We're almost making it. Look at them, they're struggling. I don't know, I think I should show you guys how I calm down.
Oh my God.
Look at her. Like seriously. Oh, nice. Brakes. Whoa. Liberty, hold on there. Start.
Oh, wow. Guy, I want to be like you. Wow. Oh my God. So I'm supposed to run like you?
Yeah, please do.
Okay, I won't.
Okay guys, we are 2,100 meters high. We are on Mount Longonot. As you can see, this is the creator. It's very, very beautiful. The view, wow. Okay, this place is very, very awesome. So far we have climbed like 2 hours, yeah, up to the top. And I hear the crater, it's about 7.2 kilometers. That's very far. So it's like 4 hours actually. I heard they told me it's 4 hours climbing the crater. This place is very, very, very beautiful. I can see. I heard there are wild animals around here. There are hyenas. I've heard of leopards and snakes. Yeah, it's very steep. As you can see, I'm very dirty. I'm all over dirty. My shoes. It's been an experience. Yeah, it's very awesome. are at Lake Naivasha. It's amazing. The place it's open. I thought it was an enclosed park. So what I didn't know actually is that this place is affected by water hyacinths. Wow. This is a menace to the world. It's a menace. It's a menace. If it's here also, actually I didn't know. I thought it was an open lake, but it looks awesome. We are here for some boat riding and stuff. Yeah, people want to have fun. It's awesome. As you can see, ni vile hamwezi feel, but fish smell iko hapa and it's delicious. We can't just wait, and we are hungry by the